Hey guys, I know I said that I was going to wait till I was not sick to actually make a vlog, but I'm pretty much over it. I'm probably going to take that last video down that I had because I really don't need it anymore. If it still sounds like I'm sick, well then, yeah, it's kind of obvious. Not really much is going on. I should actually be going to bed because I do have to work tomorrow. I was just looking at some of my old vlogs that I had. The one I just got done looking at was the one about the bus, adventures of the bus ride. Yeah, I know, it sucks. I actually have to take the bus. Now that Zach isn't here for the moment, he'll be back actually, I think on the 22nd. He's out, like, for training and stuff. Other than that, tell me this, do you think it's really odd that the day he left, like, the next day is when I actually started getting sick? And it's been a week already. Isn't that odd? I'm not saying that he got me sick, but, you know. And I know that if he was here and I got sick, he's going to sit there and be like, see, I told you should have gotten the flu shot. Whatever. Anyway, so, I know I got a few things I gotta do before he gets home. I still have to finish a couple of dishes. I have a few clothes I have to fold. And actually, I'm trying to eat this salad that he actually had. And because I was sick, I haven't really been hungry. And I don't want to waste it. But I can't eat, he got, like, a big tray of salad. And I can't eat that much salad. I mean, it was supposed to be for 2 people, but I can't eat that much. Even if I add, like, chicken or something to it, I can't eat that much. Anyway, so this is just ramblings. Don't really know what to talk about, really. I just wanted to make another vlog. But anyway, I guess that's really it. My next day off is Wednesday and Thursday. And I had to call out, well, now that's past midnight, yesterday because I was still sick. Not to really mention, on Sundays I can't really go into work because I have no way to really get there. But unless I'm paired up with someone that wouldn't mind picking me up and then dropping me off at home. Which that's one thing that I actually freaking hate. I mentioned that I can't do Sundays because of the fact that I have no way to get up there. Unless I'm paired up with someone who doesn't mind coming to pick me up and dropping me off at the end of the shift. I already mentioned that. And the other thing is, during the week, and this isn't just for now, this is like whenever Zach leaves, pretty much I can't really close. I'd have to do morning shifts and mid shifts, which I don't mind. I can still get out early. I'd rather do mid shifts. Excuse me. Yawn and a cough. So I don't mind doing mid shifts. Mid shifts consist of 10:30 until 7 o'clock, which is fine with me. I just don't really care much for morning shifts because I don't like getting up early. And, the only thing about mid shifts is that, you get off 2 hours before closing time anyways. So, that's the only thing about that. But, if I have to close, I actually had said that if I had to close, I had to be paired up with someone who has the same shift and can drop me off. I can get there, no problem. It's just, I need to be paired up with someone who can drop me off. Anyway, let's see how that goes. Hopefully they won't have too much of a shit fit. So, yeah, I guess that's about it. I will talk to you guys later, and we'll see what happens. Hopefully, the next 2 weeks will go by fast. I'm hoping. So, alright. Bye, y'all. Oh, and, if I don't get to Happy Valentine's Day, I know it's in a week, but whatever. My Valentine's gone for now. Alright. Good night, guys. Bye.